Lyric's Playhouse. Let's see what else we can do with our blue Play-Doh. Now, let's take this off. Put our blue Play-Doh inside. Get as much in as we can. We're going to take some off. Now we're going to put our top back on. And now let's see what kind of fun comes out. Uh-oh. It's a little bit, let me hold it a little bit tighter than that. Look at it. It looks like blue spaghetti. Let me get my play knife to cut this off. Just like that. Very good. Now, ooh, it's so stretchy. Let's tie it up. And then we're going to sit it on our plate, just like that. Very good. Now, that's a really sturdy plate. One more time. Yep, it's a sturdy plate. Do you want something to eat? Here you go. That was good. Well, she's sturdy too. Just lots of hair, pretty. Well, let's see. What's she doing? Uh-oh, she turned into a pink squishy ball. Oh my goodness, it has different colors. Yellow. Did you see the color come out? Yellow. There's yellow in the pink squishy ball. How did they do that? Well, guys, thank you for joining us. It looks like Peppa Pig and her family are in the kitchen too. Well, we'll see you next time on part 3. Bye, everyone. Please subscribe and hit that like button. And remember, always keep learning.